A question I receive very often is about ficus trees losing their leaves.
9 out of 10 times this happens after a mistake made in bonsai care. A sudden drop of leaves, with about half the leaves gone in only 2 weeks, is usually the result of a sudden shortage of water. A ficus bonsai can't store water very well, so when you forget to water it, allowing the soil to dry out completely, the ficus will drop its leaves to reduce its water needs.
If the tree was healthy before, it usually regrows its leaves in a few weeks' time.
There's nothing you can do other than following the care guidelines of the ficus very carefully. Forgetting to water is the biggest mistake made by beginners, and the main reason bonsai trees die. A gradual drop of leaves, say over a period of 1 or 2 months and without the tree growing new leaves, usually has to do with a less immediate problem in bonsai care. Perhaps you overwater your tree, causing the root system to rot. Study our guidelines on watering and make sure you water correctly. Poor light is another common problem, often occurring when you place your ficus indoors, more than 3 feet or about a meter away from a window. A tree needs lots of light to grow. Another possibility is you didn't fertilize or repot in time, causing the tree to have a nutrient deficiency. Again, study the care guidelines and adapt where needed.
As you have seen, problems with the ficus bonsai are usually related to bonsai care, not to insects or diseases.
Take your time to review the care guidelines and your tree will be fine.